Hello and welcome to another CNRL Library Innovation Studio home workshop. Today we have a Lego challenge. We don't just want you to build any old thing out of Lego, you can do that anytime you want, you don't need us for that. We have a different challenge. Instead of building things out of Lego, we want you to build Lego into things. So find something functional like a remote control, cover it in Lego but still make the buttons work or something like that. We have other things. Today I've made a shower head that actually works, including tap. So the general idea is get your Lego, find something you could possibly build it around and still have that thing work, and then take a photo, make a video, post it on the internet. We'd love to see it. We're at Innovation Stew, or you could hashtag your creation Innovation Stew and we'll be sure to find it. We hope you enjoyed this short workshop but spend plenty of time having fun doing it. Please like, share and subscribe so you and others can join us on the next CNRL Library Innovation Studio online workshop. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or the usual places at Innovation Stew or hashtag Innovation Stew. And check the home workshops page on innovationstew.com.au for extra resources. See you next time!